All right, sir, can you state your name, please?
Anthony Lee Crawford.
All right, Mr. Crawford, do you have a residence yet?
There's a problem with that, but no. I'd like to
Okay.
explain that if it's okay
Oh,
with you.
how about a phone number to contact you with?
I'd like the warming shelter if I be released to go to warming
Okay.
shelter.
All right, so you're in custody on two different cases, 2025 CM 12240 and 2025 CM 12251. We are waiting for the evaluation to be completed on you. Received a motion from your attorney requesting that you be released out of custody. So your attorney's requesting that. The prosecutor has reviewed that and has not objected to it. So what I'm going to do is send an order to release you out of custody and give you a new court date of December 15th at 9:30 a.m. for your pre-trial conference on those cases. So you still got to come to court and meet with your attorney on that date and time. Do you promise to do that?
Yeah, from here?
Yeah, so I'll release you out of custody and then give you a new court date and you'll get a copy of this. Here's your conditions of release. Obey all orders of the court. Do not commit any crimes. Notify the court immediately if you obtain an address. Do not contact any of the alleged victims. Do not go near any of the alleged offenses, locations. Do you understand those release conditions?
Yeah, may I ask a question?
Yes.
How ought I go asking a jurisdiction question without structured justice trespassing question?
Can you step forward a little bit and speak up? I'm having a hard time hearing. Go ahead.
How do I ask you a jurisdiction question without trespassing, a structured justice question?
Well, I can't give you legal advice, so you can ask your question and I can see if I can answer it for you.
I have a record all over America
Okay?
from prostitution, misdemeanor and felonies, from being domination manipulated by human trafficking type of way that is by gang activity.
Okay.
When I was forced out of resources places because they have the right to say no, and I did not have the understanding between the gap between what they said and patience. And
Okay.
it wasn't a patience issue; it was the fact that I wasn't giving the information, which like case managers, I tried to be independent about that and contact myself about the ID, birth certificate, social security card to get job services. Police think that I'm just
All right, Mr. Crawford, ask your question, please.
how do I go about getting a Supreme Federal Court here to pay for that record before I leave here? Because that's affecting my assistance to get me in trouble in America.
I don't know. I can't answer that question for you, but I say you would start calling a federal entity if you're asking for a Supreme Court document. Start with the federal courts.
So like FBI would work, or
I don't know. I don't know exactly what you're asking for, so I would start maybe there and then work backwards and see where they tell you to go.
can the guards help me with that with permission, or
What's that?
can the guards help me contact the Supreme Federal Court court date?
Yeah, I don't know who you would contact. I mean, you're talking federal, so I would start with some federal entity to be able to answer your questions for you.
Like 16 states, 3-4 counties, not showing to court and stuff on accident because of like the resources won't give me information, and then the domination, like manipulation by gang activity, and
I heard you before. So just what I would suggest you do is start at a federal entity, contact a federal entity, and see if they can direct you to the proper place. Okay? Do you have any questions? Huh?
Is an address for that or a number?
I don't have that information, sir. So when you're released, you might be able to use a phone book or try to research that to find out. I don't have that available to me.
Okay, it's called
And you also have an attorney. So Mr. Tyler Allen is still your attorney, so you might be able to consult with him to see if he can give you assistance on that.
Yeah, I will call him if they'll let me. That's cool.
Okay. All right, sir. Do you have any other questions?
No, Your Honor, I do not. And God bless. Thank you.
You bet.